What is often overlooked about first aid training? It is not just essential, it can be profoundly impactful, especially with VR technology. 𝐶𝐒 platform introduces a transformative first aid training program, backed by Red Crescent expertise and advanced VR technology. In just 3 days, you will acquire life-saving skills, not merely through theory, but with practical experience and sophisticated simulations. Certified Red Crescent trainers. Real practice on CPR, AED usage, and emergency response. You will also learn mental health first aid and how to manage common injuries. And yes, there is a final assessment to validate your skills and issue a recognized certificate. Why is this crucial? Accidents are inevitable, at work, on the road, or at home. This program equips you to act swiftly, save lives, and make a significant impact. What sets it apart? Unlike traditional methods, our program incorporates virtual reality training modules. Imagine simulating real-life emergencies to build your confidence and competence. It is training that transforms knowledge into action. Training is conducted on-site and powered by our advanced VR-based trainers on day 3. You will leave with an accredited certificate from Red Crescent and 𝐶𝐒 platform, a credential that truly stands out. Contact 𝐶𝐒 platform today and become the first responder your workplace and community can rely on. Be prepared, be confident, make a difference.